There are local agents, right, for your big insurance, State Farm, yada, yada. They're local agents. If someone in a certain geographic region buys their insurance online, that local agent gets a cut.
Just in that general region or the general area.
Correct.
Okay.
That's how they make their money.
And they don't even have to speak?
Zero. They don't have to know the person. That person who bought it doesn't have to know them. You know, look, as a lawyer, I have absolute obligations to communicate, to advise my client. I got all these things that I have to do to act in my client's best interest. It's legally, we sometimes call it a fiduciary relationship.
Fiduciary.
Fiduciary.
That's a real estate term.
Yeah. It's a relationship where I have to do all these things: act in the client's best interest, put the client first, advise the client, communicate, yada yada. The insurance agents don't have to be your fiduciary. They don't have to advise you. They don't have to tell you anything.
So the biggest thing to take out of this is know exactly what your policy covers.
Man, if I was to buy policies, especially homeowners, because that's a little bit more complicated, I would go down to an agency and I would say, I want to spend 15 to 20 minutes where you tell me everything that how this all works. Go through this policy with me.
Otherwise, I could T-bone you in an intersection, break your hip, cause $150,000 worth of damage, and I don't even have the coverage to pay you for that.
Yeah. Or the exact opposite. You get T-boned. You break your hip. That dude who came flying through the intersection, let's just say he was fleeing the cops. I mean, you can make up all these different scenarios in your head. That dude has zero bodily injury insurance, and you're looking at $150,000 surgery, and you don't even have close to the insurance to cover it.